Tabernas.
Baka natin yung black.
Oh, yeah. You will be starring here.
Andrea!
Sorry. Yeah. So you will, yeah. So, yeah. So this one is the Asian feast here, and then the sheepherb. Small cocktail bars. TSILIVI is really lively at night, guys, and it's already what time now? I think it's already 9. Yeah. So we're just walking around here at TSILIVI, showing to you the cocktails bars and shops, the burners, supermarket. It's really nice to walk here at night, guys. We have a lot of options for tabernas and cocktails bars. And then this one is the waffle for, this is for dessert, sweets. I saw a horse again. This is Gelato Cafe. So gelato. This is really very close to my workplace, guys. And this is the Gaetano supermarket here. Yeah. It's a big supermarket. And it's not so pricey. Mikri, Acropoli, Tabernas is there. The market. Yung end, so this is the end, almost the end. So if you're going straight there, it's already a beach. And then there's the Sunset Boulevard here, cocktail bars. Yan, dito kayo nang galing kanina. Ito na yung hotel. Yeah. So this is the hotel where I work now. It's our sister hotel. So this is a family sister hotel. Ito na yun, yung, yeah, this is, yeah, we came this morning here. So this is the Contesina hotel, and then the other one is for adult. This one is the family, yeah, it's huge there.
Kaya ayaw mo na rin dito.
Oo, 160 rooms.
Huh?
160 rooms. They have 160 rooms done. Ha? Mahal. Mahal. Mahal yan.
Doon sa inyo.
Aha.
Ang sa inyo.
Ha? Sa amin? Ganun din. Mas mahal.
Mas mahal din sa inyo?
Oo. Mas mahal sa amin.